lumalabas yan eh. Huwag niyo pilitin, maging iba kayo. So yun lang, Van, ang gusto ko lang sa'yo, Van, aside from that, relax. Paglabas mo pa lang, ano ka na, naninigas ka na
Ito
eh.
sa face mo yung tension.
Oo, nakikita. Nakikita na ang tigas nito. Nakikita kasi sa mukha na natitense ka to perform.
Opo.
You have to feel comfortable and, you know, the word I can always tell you to follow is enjoy what you guys are doing. You have to enjoy it. Kasi pag na-enjoy mo yon, yung pagsasayaw mo, enjoy na enjoy ka, pati yung mga tao
Nahahawa yung
nanonood,
tao.
nahahawa yun eh.
Mararamdaman nila how much
Mararamdaman
you enjoy
nila.
it.
Ngayon, pag hindi nyo naman ginawa, masyado naman kayong choreograph, ang stiff tingnan. That's why, di ba, give me some moves. I wanna see. Now, with this song, anong moves meron kayo na I will say, maganda, kaya lang OA na, sobra na. Di ba? Magtuturo kami ng iba. Pero pag nag-solo kayo, anong moves pwede nyo gawin? Naintindihan nyo? Okay, kasi for now, kayo lang ang assignment. Tomorrow, the girls again. So you have to really, this is your moment, the three of you. And it's a very nice medley. Napakaganda. Ang
Yeah.
sarap
Ganda ng
isayaw, ang
beats.
sarap igalaw, ang sarap i-interact sa dancers, ang ganda. So kailangan gawin natin ng maayos. Okay? Game. Dito tayo. Siyempre, sa gitna ka. Oo, naman doon ka sa dulo, no? Tatlong mic yan, di ba? Okay. So, since you guys you'll be wearing like denims with your Converse shoes, yung high cut, and then something like this with the hood and all. So, may mic stand yan. Siguro from there, nakatalikod muna kayo. Tapos, there are 4/8. So, pag gano'n, tahimik lang kayo dyan, huwag kayong gumala. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, dancers yun. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 3, last 8, umikot. Pag ikot nyo lang, lagyan nyo lang ng paang ganito para umikot. Yun. Pa. Dapat sabay yan. Pa. Flip na gano'n. Chum. Okay? So, from here, you go 1, close lang muna, close. Pa. Kasi pagdating sa,
Yuko.
nakaganon, di ba? Pagdating ng tanggal ng hood, kung nakaganon kasi yan, nakaganon yan, dito nyo yan, and I just can't, ito yung mic, may mic stand.
And I just...
Oh, syempre tatanggalin nyo to, di ba? Diyan, pam, pam, bago mag 5, 6, 7, go, and I just can't. So, sa end, dapat mic na, tatanggal na to. Okay? And I just can't pull myself away under spell. After that, and I just can't pull myself away. And I pump. It's a kick. It's a kick and pump open. It's a kick and open.
Sa I
Pump.
just ulit to.
And I just can't break the spell.
spell.
Under her spell, I can break. Under her spell, I can break. Diba? Try muna natin yung... And I just can't pull myself away under her spell. I can't break. I just can't stop. I just can't stop. I just can't stop. I just can't stop. Yun yung dalawa. I just can't stop. I just can't stop. Pangalawa.
Yung na. This. Pangalawa.
Stop. Pangatlo. I just can't stop pa ulit, di ba? Okay. I just can't stop. I just can't stop. I just can't stop. Oh, so parang forehead, stop. Forehead, stop. Okay? Stop talaga. Kailangan yung kamay yun. Stop.
Ulit po.
Tapos, after, just can't stop. Tapos, kung naka-mic stand, sideways kayo. And I just can't. So, yung mic na yon, pwede nyo naman kunin, di ba? At ganon. So, we will ask for mic stands later, on Wednesday. And I just can't break myself away. But, tapos ganon yun. But I don't want to escape. Diba? Escape. Tapos, I just can't stop.
I just can't stop.
I just can't stop.
I just can't stop.